Ever scroll past those super fit runners and think, wow, I wish I could do that, but where do I even begin? Or maybe you tried running once, felt like you were going to collapse after 30 seconds, and just gave up? You're not alone. Running can seem intimidating, even impossible, especially if you're starting from scratch. But what if I told you that with a simple, step-by-step plan, anyone, yes, anyone, can become a runner? In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how to go from zero to feeling fantastic on your feet. We'll do it without pain, without burnout, and without feeling like you're training for a marathon on day one. Let's lace up. Why start running? And why now is the best time? Ever wondered if running is for you, but felt completely overwhelmed? You're not alone. Beyond the amazing physical benefits, like improved heart health and stronger muscles, running is a powerful stress reliever that truly boosts your mood and confidence. The biggest hurdle for beginners isn't physical, it's mental. It's that fear of not being good enough or getting injured. We're tackling all that today. The key is to start smart, not hard. Forget about speed or distance, our goal is consistency and enjoyment. You don't need a gym or fancy gear, just your neighborhood and a willingness to take that first step. I'll guide you through the rest. Let's get ready. Gearing up, the essentials, not the extremes. Before hitting the pavement, let's talk gear. And don't worry, you don't need to break the bank. Your most important investment is a good pair of running shoes. They provide essential cushioning and support to help prevent injury. If possible, visit a specialty running store for a proper gait analysis, it can make a huge difference. Next, comfortable, moisture-wicking clothing prevents chafing. Layers are also great for varied weather. Finally, hydration is crucial. Staying hydrated before, during, and after your runs is absolutely key. A small water bottle or hydration belt can be very helpful. Once you're geared up, there's one more crucial step before you even start jogging, warming up. The walk/run method, your beginner's blueprint. Ready to move? The secret to starting without feeling completely gassed is the walk/run method, the cornerstone of popular programs like Couch to 5K. Instead of continuous running, you'll alternate short periods of gentle jogging with longer walking intervals. This gradually adapts your body, building endurance and strength without ever overdoing it. For your very first session, here's what to do. Start with a 5-minute brisk warm-up walk. Then, alternate 60 seconds of gentle jogging with 90 seconds of walking. Repeat this 8 times, and finish with a 5-minute cool-down walk. And just like that, that's your first run. The beauty of this method is its built-in progression. Each week, you'll slightly increase your running intervals and decrease your walking. Always listen to your body, repeat a week if needed. Remember, consistency always trumps intensity. Form and breathing, make every stride count. Don't overthink your form too much, just think light and relaxed. Maintain a tall posture, shoulders back and down. Look straight ahead. Keep your arms bent at 90 degrees, swinging them forward and back, not across your body, with loosely cupped hands. Aim for light, quick steps, landing softly mid-foot directly underneath your body. Avoid overstriding or heavy heel strikes to reduce impact and make running feel easier. Now, for breathing, forget gasping. Focus instead on deep, diaphragmatic breathing, breathing right into your belly. Establish a rhythm, perhaps inhaling for 2 steps and exhaling for 2 or 3. This deep breathing optimizes oxygen delivery and really helps prevent those pesky side stitches. Practice this during your walks, and it will become natural in no time. Recovery, rest, and listening to your body. Great run. But proper recovery is equally vital. Always end with a 5-minute cool-down walk. Follow that with gentle static stretches for your major leg muscles, holding each for 20 to 30 seconds. Hydration is also key, make sure to replenish those fluids. And a balanced meal or snack with protein and carbs within an hour or 2 really aids muscle recovery. Most crucially, rest. Don't run daily, especially when you're just starting out. Give your body 1 or 2 rest days between runs to repair and strengthen. And always, always listen to your body. Normal muscle soreness is perfectly fine, but sharp pain signals you to stop and rest. If pain persists, please consult a professional. Remember, patience and consistency are your best allies. Staying motivated and your running journey continues. So, you're building a routine, feeling stronger, and actually enjoying running. Now, how do you maintain that momentum? Set small, achievable goals, maybe 3 runs a week or running 15 minutes straight. And celebrate every single milestone. Running with a friend or joining a local group provides great motivation and accountability. Explore new routes to keep things fresh and exciting. Always remember your why, whether it's for health, stress relief, or just pure joy. Don't compare yourself to others, your journey is unique. As you progress, consider signing up for a fun 5K race to experience the running community firsthand. Remember, running is a lifelong journey, not a destination. Embrace the process, enjoy the fresh air, and truly relish your accomplishments. You've got this. If this video helped you take that first step, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health and fitness tips. Let me know in the comments below, what's your biggest challenge when starting a new fitness routine? Or if you're an experienced runner, what advice would you give to a beginner? I'd love to hear from you. Happy running!